Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr. Moorthy, working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So this is a lecture series of engineering drawing. In this video, we are going to discuss about some basic diagrams about projection of simple solids and section of solids. So in this previous lecture video, we have discussed about what is a projection of solids and what is section of solids, and how the section of solids going to useful in order to view the complete property of the object, that is the interior property of the object, by means of sectioning of solids based on base and axis, whether the cutting plane is parallel to VP or parallel to base or perpendicular to base. And so depending on condition, we have a different type further classification called frustum of solids and truncated solids, and after which we have discussed about the usefulness of section of solids, and what is the hatching of solids, and the difference. And here we have the section plane is parallel to base, and it is simply called as a frustum of pyramid, where the pyramid is, here we have a pyramid called square pyramid, and where the section plane is passes through the solid, and the plane is parallel to the base. And here we have a different things. It is represented here, where A is the section plane, and here the portion removed, it is represented in the hidden line, and where the hatched line, that is a white color things are is represented as a section of solid. And here we have in the front view, generally we are following the first angle projection, where the front view is represented in the vertical plane, and whereas the top view is represented in the top horizontal plane, where in the front view here the A is represented the section plane. It is passing through the solid is and parallel to the base. So, and here in the top view, here we have a closed boundary of the section and the section line hatching. So it indicates the top view of the solid, and whereas the hatched line indicates the section line, and it is represented in the top view. And similarly here we have the vertical section plane, that is the it's a vertical to the horizontal plane, and it is the 3D view of cylinder sectioned by the section plane. It is parallel to VP, and here we have, it is the section plane is inclined to vertical plane. Similarly, it is represented with the help of a cylinder, and here the section plane is parallel to horizontal plane, and similarly it is represented with the example of cylinder, and it is the section plane is parallel to horizontal plane. And next one is the section plane is inclined to horizontal plane, and also the example is given with the cylinder, where the cutting plane or section plane is inclined to horizontal plane. And here we have a simple problem. A section view parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. A cube of 40 millimeter side is cut by a horizontal section plane, and it is parallel to HP, and it is passing through the distance of 15 millimeter from the top end. And we should draw the sectional top view and front view. So here it is represented in the three-dimensional view, where the sectional plane is passes through the passes, and it is parallel to HP, and it cuts the plane, where it is the sectional plane is passes through the solid 15 millimeter from the top end of the solid. And here we have another one problem that we have listed. A cone of diameter 60 millimeter and height 60 millimeter is resting on HP. On one of its generator, a section plane is vertical is parallel to HP, and 15 millimeter above HP, cuts the solid and remove the top portion. Draw the front and sectional top view. So here we have a solid, the circle with a diameter of 60 millimeter, and here we have splitted this circle into 8 equal part, and here The front view, here we have cone means the front view is triangle and the top view is circle, and we have drawn the triangle with the help with the dimension of 16 millimeter as axis, and remaining generator joined to the through the respective line. And hereafter this front view is taken into the next one, and here we have drawn the projection plane as from the top view and front view. And here we have drawn the first we have the cone is resting on HP, second one is, and here we are tilting the cone with the corner, and we have joined the final top view as it is it is as it is represented the sectional top view of the solid. Thank you.